Today's recipe is my family's favorite, and if you are a fish lover, trust me, this might become your favorite too. Here I have some beautiful sole fish, already cleaned, of course, and the skin removed. First, let's dry the fish very well using kitchen paper. We want the fish dry because nobody likes a sad, watery fish, right? Now let's season the fish with salt and white pepper on both sides. I like to do this and let the fish rest for about 5 minutes before cooking, but honestly, if you are hungry like me most of the time, you can cook it directly too. And don't forget to give it a little massage so all the seasoning goes inside nicely. And by the way, this is actually my first video where I'm talking. All my previous videos were silent. So tell me in the comments, what do you prefer, videos with voice or without voice? To get that crispy golden outside, I like to dredge the fish in semolina flour. It gives such an amazing texture. But you can also use all-purpose flour, if that's what you have at home. Meanwhile, tell me in the comments, from where are you watching my videos? I really love reading your messages. Alright, our fish is ready. Add some oil and a little butter to the pan. Then fry the fish on both sides until beautifully golden and crispy. Look at that color already. So good. And yes, a little more butter on the other side because butter makes everything happier. After that, we will finish cooking it in the oven. Don't overcook the fish. For mine, it took around 15 minutes. While the fish is cooking, let's prepare a side dish together. Today we are making polenta, and tell me, what do you call it in your region? For 1 cup of polenta, add 2 cups of water, and of course some salt. Cook it until it absorbs all the water, and keep stirring. Yes, your arm will get a little workout today. Now add some Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until creamy and smooth. Then add half a cup of milk. Add a little nutmeg. It gives such a special flavor. And of course, a little more Parmesan because cheese is always a good idea. Perfect. It's ready to enjoy. Now let's prepare the sauce that gives this fish a real restaurant-style taste and look. We need 1 finely chopped onion. Add some garlic too. Garlic is very important here. Cook them in a little oil until soft and fragrant. Then add salt and black pepper. Now Add the mushrooms. Next, finely chop some pepper. Mine is already grated. It gives an amazing flavor to the sauce. But if you don't have it, no worries, you can skip it. Let everything cook slowly over low heat. Then add the fish broth. And now add about half a cup of cooking cream. Add some fresh parsley, and of course, some cheese to give the sauce that rich, creamy, cheesy texture. Look at this beauty. I also prepared a quick salad on the side. If you want, I can share it with you in my next video. And now, our fish is finally ready. The smell here is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon for another delicious recipe.